All right, so we are back with another subwoofer video. This is the brand new Martin Logan Grotto 12. So thanks to Martin Logan for sending this over, but we're gonna go ahead, get this out of the box. I did review their flagship subwoofer, the Depth 215, a couple months back. So this is essentially their second from their top end. The Depth is their best, and the Grotto is their second best. So this also comes in a 15-inch. This is the 12-inch version. These things get pretty heavy the bigger you go up, so I didn't really want to wrestle with the 15-inch one. So we're going to step down. All right, so inside the box, we have the Martin Logan accessories box. And inside here, we have your quick start guide. Here's the power cord. We have the spiked feet. Then here is the wireless transmitter. So if you want to hook this up to your processor or AVR, this is the transmitter, and the subwoofer has the receiver built into it. And here's the power adapter for the transmitter. And then we have all the plugs. So this is the USB-C cable. And then here's the RCA cables. All right, so here's the subwoofer out of the box. This is a fairly, it's not giant. It's also not really small. Measurement-wise, it's 17.8 inches by 17.9 by 17.9, so it's almost an 18-inch square in all directions. But here's a little label right here which will tell you to remove the front grille first. So you got to remove this guy. Then once you get rid of that, you can pull off the side panels here, the side grills. So these do have dual opposed passive radiators, a 12-inch on each side, on the left and right side. And on the front, we have the active 12-inch subwoofer, 12-inch driver. And the frequency response of this is down to 22 hertz up to 120 hertz. And around back, we can see that we have the connections here. Here's the amplifier plate. This is rated at 2000 watts or 1000 watts continuous. And as far as connections, we have your line level, speaker line level inputs for your left and rights. We have your pairing, your wireless audio button pairing, which is there. We have your balanced XLR ins. We have your unbalanced RCA ins and outs. And then we have your power selection on, trigger, and then auto. So this does have the auto sensing. And then here we have the rotary dial, which is a nice little rotary dial. This will illuminate once you power it up. And then this does support ARC input through the optional microphone. So if you want to have this ARC Genesis calibrate the subwoofer for you, you can do that by purchasing the optional ARC microphone. Okay, so build quality wise, this does have a glossy top front panel, which wraps around from the front all the way down to the bottom. So it goes from top to the back, down to the bottom. So it does have that pretty cool wraparound effect, very similar to the Depth. And build quality, this does have a 1-inch MDF construction, so it's got a pretty thick enclosure. And I forgot to mention that it's a pretty heavy subwoofer. It weighs around 83 pounds, so despite it being fairly small, it does weigh a pretty hefty amount. All right, so now I've plugged this thing in, and you can see once it is plugged in, this will give you the little level. It'll tell you where the volume level is, or the gain level is on the subwoofer. And this also has a sweep control. So by pressing this little button right here, you press it, hold it down, it'll run a sweep from 20 to 120 hertz. And if there's a frequency that you want to hold it at, press the sweep button one more time. That'll turn red. That'll keep on that whatever frequency you just chose. And then you can tap the sweep control button again to shut it off. So you can do this either manually here, or you can do it within the app. So if you want to find out if you have anything rattling in your house or in your room, use that little sweep control and you can pinpoint anything that's loose, like maybe like you have a loose piece of trim or something like that in your house. It's a handy little feature. Again, you can do this either from the back of the subwoofer, or you can do it in the app. All right, so once you download the Martin Logan Subwoofer app, this is running on the Google Pixel, so the Android Play Store. Once you open it up, it should be able to find your subwoofer. So you can see here that it does say the Grotto 12. So we're going to tap on that. It's going to pair with the subwoofer. And then here's the main page. We've got 3 different presets. We've got movie, music, and then night mode. I think most people for home theater is probably going to use this for movie mode. Main thing is your volume. So we got from 0 up to 100%. There's that little sweep control, which we just did. We'll just run it really quick one more time. There you go. You can pause it at, this is paused at 88 Hertz. You can pause it at 120 or down to 20, or down to 23 Hertz, or no, hold on. Or down to 22 Hertz. I should go down a little bit more. So it looks like 21 Hertz it'll go down to. Then here's the ARC Genesis mode. So again, you'll need to pick up the ARC microphone, calibration mic, to activate that. All right, so once we get into the settings, we got your volume control, which we just checked out. We've got your low pass filter. We've got bypass. So if you want to use this in your AVR or processor to use the crossover built into that, you'd want to choose bypass. Then we've got 3rd order or 4th order. You can adjust the crossover from 120 Hertz or 30 Hertz. So I'm going to keep that on bypass. Next section here is your phase. You can switch inverted. And you can also adjust it variable from 180 down to 0. Next section is your listening mode, which is the 3 presets which are on the main page. We've got your 20 or 30 Hertz level. So if you want to boost it at any specific frequency or between 20 and 30 Hertz, you can do that there. We've got your room correction, which is you're gonna need that ARC Genesis mic. Passcode, you can rename the subwoofer if you want, reset the subwoofer, and then here's your information page. All right, so that's just a quick look at the subwoofer. I am going to do a full review over on Audioholics, so if you are not subscribed to Gene's channel, make sure you guys subscribe over there. There will be a link down below in this video's description. But I do have 2 of these in hand, so I'm going to pair these up in my dedicated home theater, so be sure to check out that review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.